How to transfer data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone using iTunes. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone using iTunes. You can transfer data from your old iPhone to your new one using iTunes on your computer. First, ensure you're using the latest version of iTunes. You will need a backup of your old iPhone to proceed with this method. Once you have backed up your old iPhone using iTunes, turn on your new iPhone and start the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from Mac or PC and connect your new iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. On your computer, open iTunes and locate your new iPhone in the top left corner. Click on Restore Backup and choose the most recent backup from the list. Now, wait for the transfer process to complete. Keep your iPhone connected until everything is restored. Once done, your new iPhone will have all the data from your old device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.